Hello to all of my loyal subscribers, all 8 of you. I'm back again with another review, this time on a Gucci shirt, which I bought from DhGate. Now, here's the thing about this video. I know you guys all love my content because I unbox, and you can see exactly what it looks like when it comes out of the box from DhGate. However, this time I was so anxious to open this up that I actually didn't unbox it for the video, but I can just show you how it looks now. I'm telling you though, all that it came in was the usual. The DhGate black wrap and a plastic bag, like with a zipper. So that's what it looked like when I unboxed it. So this is a Gucci shirt I bought from DhGate. I can leave the link in the description if you want it. It's pretty interesting material. Look at it, it's stretchy. It's almost like a dry fit material. I don't know if that's what the real one's like. I don't really know enough about it. That's how it looks. It actually comes, it has a nice little Gucci, nice little Gucci logo type thing, you know, the tag or whatever. And actually it came with like tags, like a nice little leather Gucci tag. I don't know where I put it, so it's actually pretty legit. Well, like it looks kind of legit, except for I'm guessing, like I said, I'm guessing this isn't how real ones look. The inside looking white is straight up white on the inside. Like, it's dry. Like, it's really not Gucci, but it's okay. I can already tell though that the B is fading. Like if I stretch it, it'll definitely fade away. I'm scared if I wash it, it will. But I ordered a double XL in this, and it barely fits me. And I usually wear a large t-shirt, so definitely always order 2 sizes up when you're buying t-shirts and things of that genre. But all in all, I think it's really good. I got a lot of compliments when I wore it out the other night. See, double XL, yeah, there it is. And also, they like to go hard. They even say, made in Italy. Made in Italy. You know, so that's kind of cool. But you know, all in all, I'd say this is a pretty decent shirt. I want to say it was between 18 and 20 some odd dollars, and for that price, you know, we really can't go wrong. I wore it out, it was nice. Got rave questions about it. Obviously, if you feel it, if you know you're Gucci, you know it's not real. But I mean, I'm not the kind of guy to tell people it's real, because like I have my own real stuff that I wear. I just wear this kind of stuff like as a joke. I think it's funny. I like the B. It's good stuff. But all in all, it's a decent shirt. Definitely gonna fade. I can definitely see this fading. It's a weird material. It's stretchy. I actually like the material, but I'm guessing it's definitely not how the real material is. All in all though, a good shirt for the price. This one took a little longer to get here. I'm gonna say 4-ish weeks, 4.5, 5 weeks. But I don't know why that happened. But that's okay, because it does say that in the description it would take that long, but usually they just take less time. But all in all, I'll give this like an 8. You know, it's nice to wear. It says Gucci, came with Gucci tags. It's just, things could be better. It could have gotten here quicker. But for the price, for being a fake replica, that's actually contradictory. For being fake and for being a replica, it's good stuff. I'm about to sign out. I'll be back with more videos soon. Peep the channel, like and subscribe if we're friendly. And even if we're not friendly, like and subscribe. Or don't.
You know where I go when we're dancing. Handshakes in the Hamptons.